guys, today I am working on this commission, which is a bridal bouquet, and yeah, super honoured to always be able to do a bridal bouquet because they're so beautiful flowers, and this one has loads of amazing bright colours in which make me feel so happy, and yeah, I'm just excited to get stuck in. So I thought I would just film a bit of it today so you can see what I'm up to, and we're about, I'd say, halfway through, maybe just past halfway. I've kind of got like the bulk of the main shapes that are going down, and now I'm kind of starting to add the layers and the depth. So you can see here I've added a few more details in here, but there's still a long way to go. So let's get started. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me this morning. It is now time for me to go pick up my little boy from nursery. So that's all the painting to be done for today. But I did just want to mention as well, if you would love to paint flowers and impressionistic flowers in particular, I do have an amazing in-depth course where I show you these 3 paintings, really in depth. They're like real-time tutorials, and you can learn exactly how to paint these. These are some of the students in the course and what they've created as well. There's sunflowers, wisteria, and also a rose painting. So if you would like to kind of learn how to put together a painting like this, and also an understanding of like the layers involved, colour mixing, brush techniques, all of these things that you will learn in this course, and at the moment it is only $7. So if you would like to do that, just pop to the link in the description box and you can join there. There's quite a lot of students at the minute. I think there's about 1,800 people currently going through it, and people are getting amazing results and really enjoying it. So if you're in this impressionistic florals course, just leave a comment below and let me know your biggest takeaway or what you enjoyed the most about it. That'd be super cool to learn what you guys really love. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me today in the studio, and I'll see you soon. Bye.